The secret lives of nocturnal animals. What happens when the world sleeps? When the sun dips below the horizon and darkness blankets the earth, a secret world awakens. While most humans retreat to their homes for rest, countless animals begin their daily routines under the cover of night. These creatures, known as nocturnal animals, have evolved remarkable adaptations to thrive in the dark. But who are they? How do they navigate, hunt, and survive in the moonlit wilderness? Let's shine a light on the hidden realm of nocturnal wildlife and uncover the mysteries of these fascinating nighttime dwellers. What does nocturnal mean? Nocturnal refers to animals that are active during the night and rest during the day. This behavior is often an evolutionary response to avoid predators, escape daytime heat, reduce competition for food, and optimize hunting advantages. Not all night-active creatures are fully nocturnal. Some are crepuscular, active at dawn and dusk, like deer and rabbits, while others may be cathemeral, active at random times throughout the day or night. Examples of nocturnal animals. The animal kingdom is full of nighttime specialists. Here are just a few well-known and lesser-known nocturnal creatures. 1. Owls, masters of stealth. Owls have silent flight, exceptional night vision, and highly sensitive hearing. They rely on these traits to swoop down on unsuspected prey in the dark. 2. Bats. Bats are the only flying mammals. They navigate using echolocation, sending out sound waves and interpreting their echoes to see in total darkness. 3. Big cats. Predators like leopards, tigers, and jaguars do much of their hunting at night to ambush prey with the element of surprise. 4. Hedgehogs. These spiny insectivores forage under the moonlight for worms, beetles, and slugs. 5. Geckos and nocturnal snakes. Many reptiles avoid the heat by being active at night. They rely on heat-sensing pits or excellent low-light vision. 6. Tree frogs and toads. Their croaks are a staple of nighttime sounds, used to attract mates or ward off rivals. 7. Moths and fireflies. These insects are drawn to light and use bioluminescence in fireflies to communicate. Surviving in the dark requires unique adaptations. Here are some traits that give nocturnal animals an edge. Enhanced vision. Many nocturnal animals have large eyes, more rod cells for low light detection, and sometimes tapetum lucidum, a reflective layer that gives their eyes that eerie nighttime glow. Advanced hearing. Owls can hear tiny movements from far away. Foxes and cats can pinpoint the direction of sound with rotating ears. Heightened smell. Animals like foxes, raccoons, and hyenas depend heavily on their sense of smell to find food or detect danger. Echolocation. Used by bats, dolphins, and some cave-dwelling birds, echolocation turns sound into spatial awareness, enabling them to hunt or fly in complete darkness. Behavioral intelligence. Nocturnal species often rely on stealth, memory, and problem-solving. Raccoons, for instance, are infamous for their ability to open latches and remember food sources. In nature, nocturnal animals play crucial roles in ecosystems. Some bats and moths pollinate flowers that bloom at night. Pest control. Owls and bats keep rodent and insect populations in check. Seed dispersers. Nocturnal frugivores help plants reproduce by spreading seeds. Without nocturnal animals, many natural systems would be thrown off balance. Despite their adaptations, nocturnal animals face several modern-day challenges. Light pollution. Artificial lights from cities and roads disrupt natural behaviors, such as mating signals as seen in fireflies, hunting patterns in bats and owls, navigation in migrating birds. Agriculture and urban development rob animals of their dark, quiet habitats. Many nocturnal animals are struck on roads at night, especially during migration or mating seasons. Changing weather patterns can affect food availability and breeding cycles. Do you want to support your nighttime neighbors? Here are some simple steps you can take. Turn off outdoor lights or use motion-activated or shielded lighting. Plant native species that provide shelter and food. Avoid using pesticides that harm insect populations. Drive cautiously at night in wildlife-prone areas. Educate others about the value of nocturnal animals. The night is not silent. It's alive with activities, interactions, and purposes. The secret lives of nocturnal animals reveal a side of nature that's just as complex and awe-inspiring as anything we see in daylight. By learning about and protecting these creatures, we ensure that both sides of nature's clock continue to tick in harmony.